Hey guys, this is Cat number 5 and here. So today, since it's a rainy day, thought I'd do a video of my 2 mini box fans. I had 3, but my Massey box and my 2011 Massey box fan, due to the switch issue, the wire for the speeds fell out, so I threw it away because I couldn't fix it. So here's on the left, here we have a 2004 Duracraft 10-inch box fan, 2-speed box fan. And on the right, we have a 2002 Aries 10-inch box fan, 3-speed box fan. Alright, so I'm going to turn them on now. I'm going to turn them on high. Here we go.
People in the middle did okay. They're working with what they get. Okay. Thank you guys. Show me your hand when you think the presentation is ready. Okay, put it up high.
Got my tablet charging here, so, and the camera is charging. Alright. The Aries has a little rattle, but that's alright. Turn this to medium.
Everybody's going to be able to get a question. Everybody. The question is, will we have the guts to answer it?
Oops, wait a minute, it's low. That's off. Went on a low. Sorry about that, guys. Turn this to low. Turn this back to high.
You look like you're on work release. I do these things for you.
Turn this back to high, too.
Oh, how you doing, sir? Well, I can get that stuff to you right now. Hey, Brian?
And turn that just to low.
Hey, how's your wife?
And
A little cold downstairs. I'll come back and get this later. Thank you. Okay, right here. The answer is going to be, those are the rules. Those are the rules. Yeah, everything going okay over here? Everything clean?
okay.
No problem?
Here's the side of them.
Hey, Brian. Yeah, you got Brian.
The back of them. And the front of them again. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed of this of my 2 mini box fans, my 2004 Duracraft and my 2002 Aries. Thank you, comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.